What's going on, guys? Today we're going to get into my top 3 long-term stocks to hold for the near future and why. My first stock is my favorite stock that I talk about all the time, and that is going to be SoFi Technologies, which started out as a student loan refinancing company but has become so much more than that with their diversification efforts. They are now a banking service, investments, they are a technology platform, they do many things, and their revenue has grown just over $900 million year over year from the last Q3, and I think this is a very bullish signal. Analysts actually point to 25% projected revenue growth all the way going into 2027, which is always a great sign for long-term growth in their stock. Some analysts actually say in 2027 they could hit a record $1 billion in revenue, which would be incredible for their stock and would do numbers long term. For my second stock, we are actually going to be doing another investing platform, and that is going to be Robinhood or Hood. And the reason for that is that their growth average revenue per user is 40% over the last 2 years, which means they're generating real income for their users. They're making investing more accessible and easy, and I think that is a great sign for future growth and future user growth. The company also saw record numbers for subscribers for their gold tier, which is actually a paid platform that enhances users' experience with investing and makes it more accessible for them. Another reason is their payments, their banking, their crypto is all signs of new diversification and features that they're adding to their system, which is great. And I think in 5 to 10 years, we are going to see this stock do over 100%, over 200%, who knows? But I think it is a great long-term hold. For my last final stock is a little bit cliche and it is a blue chip stock, but that is going to be Amazon. And there are many reasons for this. It's because everyone thinks Amazon is an e-commerce business, but recently we've seen that they are just so much more. And that comes with the Amazon Web Services crash, which everyone thought would be detrimental to the company, but it only showed investors why they need to start adding to their positions in Amazon, because so many people use their cloud computing services. We saw the other day when their services got shut down, how many companies simply couldn't operate, which also gives you a good idea how many companies are using Amazon Web Services and the future revenue growth that is going to come. Because of their high revenue growth and all these different services, there's going to be room for error for these other services. If one service is down, the other service will pick it back up with the strong revenue growth. Let's say, for example, the e-commerce does very poorly one quarter, the web services is going to pick up that slack, and this is why I think Amazon is going to do so well in the future, because all of these services have been performing very well for the most part. If you want to see yourself doing better in investing and following up to date with the news in the stock market, follow me and I will help you.